6. And this is in the mini flyweight. Oh, good left to the midsection. At biglang bumagsak. Mukhang matatapos na maaga. Etong laban na ito, it's all over.
Isa sa mituring na future ng Philippine boxing na pwedeng maging world champion, itong Pinoy na nagmula sa angkan ng mga matatapang sa Mindanao. Ang kababayan ni Manny Pacquiao sa General Santos City na si Vince Paras na may kartadang 20 wins, 2 losses na may 15 knockouts. Kung saan bago ito naging boksingero ay dumaan ito sa panlilimos at nagpasilip-silip sa training ni Manny Pacquiao at nakita at tinawag ni Freddie Roach.
Ay, mayuin yun si Coach Freddie Roach at ang binasilong nanlilimos lang noon, pero ngayon undefeated na boksingero sa tulong ni Coach. Mula sa Jet.
Tinuruan ito at binigyan ng gloves ng Hall of Famer trainer na si Roach, ngunit sa ngayon ay isa ng champion. Sa angking galing ni Paras mga tol ay umabot na ito sa World Championship kung saan nakatapat nito ang IBF minimum weight champion na si Hiroto Kyoguchi. Ngunit nabigo si Kabayan via unanimous decision sa laban na naganap sa Japan. Ngunit ngayong May 11, 2024 nabigyan si Paras ng pagkakataon ng rematch kontra kay Kyoguchi kung saan maganda ito para kay Kabayan mga tol dahil sa Korea gaganapin ang kanilang laban kung saan makaiwas sa hometown decision. Noong taong 2014 nakilala ni Freddie Roach itong batang si Paras na sumisili palagi sa training ni Manny Pacquiao sa Jensan.
March 2014 nang magkakilala sila sa General Santos City. 15 taong gulang si Vince noon. Nanlilimos lang at pasilip-silip habang nag-iensayo si Manny Pacquiao sa gym. Pero tinrain siya ni Coach Freddie at binigyan pa ng gloves. Ngayon, champion boxer na si Vince matapos masungkit ang
Kaya napansin ito ni Roach at tinawag dahil mukha naman itong interesado. 15 years old noon si Paras nang umpisang tinuruan ni Coach Freddie at inalalaya ni Pacquiao. Hanggang sa nakalipas ang isang taon mga tol, pinasok na ni Paras ang pro boxing at nakakuha kaagad ito ng 13 na magkasunod na panalo. Halos lahat ay sa pamamagitan ng knockouts at dahil dito pinatawag ito ni Senator Raffy Tulfo at nag-abot ng tulong. Bago ang rematch ni Paras versus Kyoguchi mga tol, atin mo nang panoorin itong laban ni Paras kontra sa knockout artist na Hapon na si Ayumu Hanada na may kartadang 10 wins, 1 loss at may 8 knockouts. Hindi ito basta-bastang kalaban si Hanada mga tol. Maliban sa future world champion ito ng Japan, nagmula pa ito sa 4 na magkasunod na panalo na ang lahat ay sa pamamagitan ng knockouts. Sa umpisa ng laban mga tol, mainit na kaagad ang palitan ng suntok ng dalawang boxers kung saan makita natin na lamang sa tangkad itong Hapon na si Hanada.
That was a good jab by the Japanese fighter, Hanada.
Should you be more or should you try to establish the action early?
Well, to take somebody, I don't really pay attention too much of what's happening outside the ring. Good overhand by
shoot and score from the outside compared to Paras, but
Paras is coming in there and counter with that hook like he just did. Good body shot. Keep his distance, use that jab and that 1-2.
Hanada
Power in there.
Coming up on a minute remaining in the very first round.
Action-packed. Both guys trying to tee off with his hands up, you know. He had the high guard going, but he's pressing this fight right now.
Yeah, trying to really get to the inside.
These guys is
let's get to it.
Good right by Paras.
Percentages. 10-second warning in the very first round.
1-2 that landed.
And I expected.
Nice connection.
I love how.
Now asking him to stand and bang.
And Hanada is coming in. He wants to do it too. Got hit by that left hook. Hanada's trying to throw that overhand right. Missed it.
Sometimes that's the preconceived notion with long and lengthy fighters from the outside. But no, Hanada says, I'm willing to trade if you are.
Yes.
You don't want to get gassed out early now in the second round.
I would want them, especially with the fact that they're both throwing that. So being that there's 8 rounds to this fight, I want to make sure that they're conserving that certain degree and throwing the punches when it's available, not just throwing it just to throw it. Make sure it's effective. Nice body shots.
Except from that left hook counter that Hanada seems to want to throw.
Exactly. A lot more feints I would like to see from
Point again, reminding everyone both of them have significant punching power.
Paras is not letting him breathe.
Which is what you want. 10-second warning.
Sa round 3 mga tol, hirap si Paras lumaban sa distansya dahil sa haba ng galamay ng Hapon. Kaya pinunteriya ng Pinoy ang bodega ni Hanada.
8?
They're dead again, so both guys are just going for it.
Nice by Paras.
And in the physical aspect, Paras is to Hanada, who is more of a quicker guy.
Oh, nice body, head, body.
Very good.
Nice one by Paras. Another one by
Good
Paras.
overhand. But like I said, after a couple body shots, it opens up the head shots, and I think this is why. Hanada also
Toughness of the eating. 2 shots, Nonito.
Yeah. You're just throwing a lot of punches. It takes and lessens the punching power. Oh, good overhand by Hanada. Both guys taking the shots and giving it back right. I would like to see us with more head movement and make Hanada miss, because when he does.
40 seconds remaining in round number 3. Oh, look at Hanada.
He's just letting him hit.
But Paras says, I don't mind, let's go.
Deliberately just stood there and got hit with few punches.
10-second warning, round number 3.
Dito sa kalagitnaan ng laban mga tol, parehong tumama ang mga malalakas na suntok ng dalawang boksingero, ngunit pareho din itong matibay.
2.5 remaining in round number 4. Again, another stand and bang exchange down the middle. If you're a fan of brawls, this is what you want to see.
Again, I wasn't expecting him to come in this close to Paras. I thought he was going to get that distance, but yeah, he slowed down a little bit. I believe the action's still there, but as far as them continuing.
Yeah, I'm looking at their breathe.
Paras is giving that jab. Great jab. Paras is throwing more jab this time around.
Stuns Hanada.
Oh, Hanada a little glassy there, trying to fight his way back.
His legs were very well.
Good counter hook.
Rachel tonight are joining us as well. And Rachel, key
was able to capitalize on whenever Hanada was just standing there. That's when he hit him with the straight, he thought it was coming. Nice body shot from Hanada.
I think the jab this round, and that's where the overhand was able to land, the hook was able to land. Jab that Paras has been thrown.
Earlier we saw the toughness of Hanada, again eating shots but still man.
Or just feeling the cost, the danger. See, that's the remedy when you got a guy. Hanada has the same or similar body style that adding a lot of weight. You know, we're susceptible to getting hurt in the body.
Yeah.
And let's.
Sa ika-6 na round mga tol, umatake na itong si Paras dahil kailangang digitan ang mas matangkad na Hapon.
Smart move considering the punishment that Vince Paras is willing to unload. Oh, big shot
Hands
there.
of Hanada. But Hanada is coming over to land his straight.
I've seen you do that on more than one occasion.
Oh, good
Slip and
straight hook.
Strike.
And now he's back head movement again. Oh, good overhand.
Paras staying active. Oh, big shot by Hanada.
Take his feet with him and not reach.
For Hanada. Oh, big shot by
Nice
Paras.
over right.
That was a very good center.
Oh, big bombs.
Oh, both guys.
The heart of Vince Paras firing right back.
He does have a great jab. He pumps it off really quickly. Paras is doing the same thing, right?
Oh,
That's
connects.
3 landed.
But look at Hanada standing there and taking it.
And the thing is, in the later rounds, even though you're getting hit, the power is not as dominating as
Oh, Hanada getting hit now.
Slow down a little bit. Oh, that was an overhand is perfect for the take. Set it up with the jab, which can actually.
Binuhos na lahat ng dalawang boksingero dito sa huling bahagi ng laban mga tol na parehong gustong makakuha ng knockout na panalo.
A close fight like this one, both guys getting hurt, both guys landing punches, and I think Paras just wants to win convincingly, and I think he's doing a good job. And Hanada is trying to set up his own things. He's slipping those punches.
Yeah. Definitely more activity for Paras.
You know, in the last 2 rounds or so, good one too.
Paras now trying to look for an angle, dancing around much more.
Than the last couple of rounds, like we said. But I believe he knows it up. He's trying to put a little bit more into his punches, and he's moving to get out of. Than the last couple of rounds, like we said. But I believe punches, and he's moving to get out of the angles and into angles that are punch ready for him.
Look at these two
Guys
knockouts.
are really tough. They took each other's power. Good hook straight from Hanada, and then a jab coming from Paras. Yeah, both guys are putting their hearts in there, and you can see how big of a...
Quality of punches.
He is able to hit Hanada with a jab.
And I think that might sway the judges a lot because he is...
Paras's corner telling him to stay aggressive, 10-second warning. The final round. Oh, big shot.
When he is able to hit Hanada with a jab, it's snapping his head back.
And I think that might sway the judges a lot because he is being hit.
Very convincingly, yes.
Paras's corner telling him to stay aggressive, 10-second warning. The final round. Oh, big shot, Paras. Another one by Paras. What an end.
Pagkatapos ng laban mga tol, nanalo si Paras sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision at niyakap pa ni Paras ang magandang round girl. Salamat sa inyong suporta hanggang sa sunod nating video.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.